Hi, today I'm going to show you a very delicious and tasty chicken recipe. At first, we must boil our chicken, one leg and one breast with a lot of small onions and spices, which are saffron extract, black pepper and turmeric. And I forgot garlic powder. We must put the lid on and let it cook for at least 2 or 3 hours. While the chicken is cooking, we must boil another ingredient, which is called carrot. I use about 4 carrots and I boil it for 45 minutes. You can boil it less. Near the end, you can add a little cinnamon to the chicken because it would taste really better and smell better. Now it's time to wash our rice and then cook it for 5 people. I use 3 measures of rice and it's enough. I wash it for 4 times and then put it on heat with a little salt and oil. Now carrots are done after 45 minutes. Now cook the rice as you usually cook. There is no special way for that. I cook it which is called kate in our language. After about 2 or 3 hours, it's time to shred the chicken. It's a little hot, so you can wait for it to cool down and then shred it all in small pieces. For our boiled carrots, you can chop them or shred them as well. Just make them into small pieces. Now grab a frying pot and add a little of oil. This one is a lot, you add less. At first, add 50 grams of barberry to the hot oil. Then after 30 seconds, add 1 spoon of sugar. Now time to add the carrots. Then our shredded chicken. Next part is to add a lot of saffron. The more the better. For it to cook better, add some of the chicken soup, the water that the chicken was cooking it. Add some of it to it and then put the lid on and let it cook for about 20 minutes.